Welcome students. In previous chapter our inside our earth, in previous video we came to know about the three main layer of earth: crust, mantle and core. And we came to know about these three layers. The crust, the uppermost layer of the earth, that is hard. And today is our topic of this chapter, types of rock. So first of all we come to know what is rock, how the rock formed. Students, as we know that inside our earth movements always took place, and for that when volcanic eruption means volcano burst, when volcano eruptions take place, when just like a mountain we see this type the layer, and when volcano eruptions take place, the molten magma come out, and when it cool down, then it forms rock. And this rock is very useful for the human, because in this rock we get minerals, very important minerals. So first of all we come to know rock, how the rock forms. When the volcano erupted, the molten magma came out. Magma means lava, and lava in previous video we come to know in mantle we find the hot molten magma is there, and then it come out, and when it cool down it form a layer that is called rock. Is it clear? Now types of rock. There are three types of rock: igneous rock, sedimentary rock, metamorphic rock. And this igneous rock, igne means fire. Igne means fire. It means this rock formed by the fire. As I told you, after the eruption of volcano, this rock formed, and this is the first rock, and it is also called parental rock, because this igneous rocks, after so many years later on, the same rock became into the sedimentary rock and metamorphic rock, so that this igneous rock, that is called parental rock. These rocks appeared first on the surface of the earth, so that it is called primary rock or parental rock. Is it clear? Parental means because these two rocks, sedimentary rocks and metamorphic rocks, they are formed by the modification of igneous rock. Is it clear? And igneous rock has also two types. As in previous video, I think you came to know also, in intrusive or extrusive. Intrusive rock means the rocks that below the surface of the earth, they are called intrusive, and the rock that cool on the surface, of the earth are called extrusive. So in the below the surface, that is called intrusive, and on the surface that rock is called extrusive. So there are two types of rock of igneous: intrusive and extrusive. This rock is very hard, and we can get the minerals, especially like gold and silver. Gold, silver, aluminium. This type of minerals we find in this rock, where igneous rock. Second is our sedimentary rock. And now the question, as I told you that this igneous rock is the primary rock, and for this rock will be formed. So how it will work? So many years later, when igneous rock are broken to the force of nature, like wind, water, is it clear? Like wind and water, and it will break into small particles, then it becomes into sediments. It becomes into sediments. So loose sediments then compressed with some fossil fuels, and it becomes sedimentary rock. So igneous rock, then igneous rock, sedimentary rock, and third rock is metamorphic rock. So what is metamorphic? As I have already told you, that is a as in we see the water cycle, in the same way rock cycle also. First the molten magma cool down and it become igneous rock, and after so many years the modifications, too much modifications are there, then it will become into sedimentary rocks. And when sedimentary rocks formed as by the wind and water and deposit in another way, and it becomes in sedimentary rock. And the last rock, metamorphic rock, these rocks are originally igneous or sedimentary rocks which have been changed due to the excessive heat and pressure. This metamorphic rock change due to the excessive heat and pressure inside the earth. So this metamorphic rocks change. This sedimentary or igneous rock change into metamorphic. Now a very important thing, that these rocks are very important for we people. What are its importance? In olden days, these rocks are used to make tools and weapons. In olden days, these rocks are used for tools and weapons. Nowadays, rocks are used in different way. How? In the constructions of road, houses, buildings, we use different types of minerals in our earth. In our buildings. Third useful things is that metals like iron, gold and copper, as I have already told you, in igneous rock we found the very important minerals like gold, copper, aluminium, silver. These are obtained from this ore. And one more things, that minerals like coal and petroleum. Coal and petroleum are also used in the fuels. As a fuels we use coal and petroleum. So all these things we are getting in the by the rocks. So rocks are very useful in for our life. Thank you.